Hey everyone, I am back and I'm here to show you some gorgeous happy mail that I got today. Oh my gosh, I'm such a lucky girl. I've been away for a few days and came back to a parcel from the lovely Jan. Oh my goodness me. Wait till I show you what she has sent. She went to Thailand for a holiday, and bless her, while she was there, she thought of me. And oh my gosh, you should see this wonderful collection of goodies that she sent. Oh my gosh, they're just amazing. So let me show you. Oh, super excited to show you. You won't believe what's in here. I was kind of like, what? Okay, let me just put these to the side and I will show you. So okay, we have these lovely stickers, pink elephant they're called, and they're, I suppose for journals, just gorgeous little things, saying hello away. Oh, hello Andy. So I say hello Andy, hello away. Oh, I'm a div, aren't I? Hello Andy, hello ahoy. Oh my gosh, do you know what? My eyesight is terrible, but if I wear my close-up glasses, then I struggle doing, oh my goodness me. Hello, ahoy, loves me. Hello, ahoy, ahoy. Aren't they gorgeous? Lovely stickers. And these lovely jingly bells, which will be great for journals, and all sparkly and lovely bells to hang on the bottom. They are beautiful. Love the colours of those. Lovely. I don't have any that sort of size, and I do love bells on my journals. I've put them on quite a few. Look at these cat sticky notes. Oh, so cute. She knows me so well. Addicted to cats, as she knows. Look, and I have my 4 cats. So that would be Bimbles. No, that would be Lewis. That would be Charlie, or that won't be Charlie, I don't know. I might have to colour one in for Popsy because she's totally black. But I have the 4 cats there. Look, just gorgeous. Lovely little sticky notes. They are adorable. And these lovely, let me open these and show you. I have, do you know what, it's weird because I have a cat journal that I want to do for myself, and I've had custom orders and other work and everything, so I have not got round to it. So I haven't done my cat journal yet, and now I have so many bits and pieces to go in my cat journal. So look at these. These are just too cute. Lovely little envelopes and little note paper. Look. Oh, this is just too cute. These are just too cute. Love them. Oh my gosh, they are gorgeous. Love those. They are going in my journal, those are. And then we have these, look, little gift bags. Look at these. Oh look, oh my gosh, you're magical. Special thanks. Look at how cute these little gift bags are. They're just too precious, too precious. Thank you so much, Jan. I am such a lucky girl, I really am. I have such wonderful friends from YouTube, and Jan is definitely one of them. So thoughtful, really. And look at these, look, more cat, I think they're little envelopes. Oh, look, they are lovely. Oh look, that's got an actual, oh look, it's got like a little writing space and everything. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look, it's got like a little thing that you write on. Aren't they just adorable? Lovely little pockets for my journals. Oh, look, it's like a little speech bubble for the pussycat you can write in. Oh, just love them. I haven't seen anything like this here. Aren't they gorgeous? Just lovely. Look at these. Little cat sort of stick-ons. Look, he's cute. They're all cute. Look at the one with his tummy tickling. They are just lovely. Look at these. And they're like, and they're kind of raised. Oh no, look. Oh no. Hang on a minute. Oh, there's more than one. How cute are these? I just thought that they were, you know, almost like raised stickers, but they're not. There's several on each one. Oh, and my nails will not allow me to do this. I don't want to bend them. Oh, there you go. Look, they're like little film. Oh, they are just, oh my goodness me. Oh, love them. And like you've got a stack on each one. Of, I thought they were just raised, but they're you've got lots of them on each one. Oh, cats everywhere. And these, look at these. I like these. These are like fabric snippets. These are lovely. Actually, I've been doing some stamping on fabric, and these are just, oh, look. So you've got like stamps, take a picture, a little frame. Do a French journal, travel journal. Look, love them. I don't have anything like this. I've been trying to make my own fabric stamps, and yeah, they've come out lovely. But look, I have some now. And then we have another pack here. I've got like a little pocket watches. Oh, fork and spoon. You do like a cookery themed one. A ticket. A key, a little penny farthing, label, a typewriter, and another little frame. Oh, I love them. I don't have anything like that, so that will inspire me to actually make some more of my own, because they are lovely to sort of sew on or stick on. And then we have this lovely roll of cats on like a sticky roll. Look at the cats on there, look. Just lovely. Sticky memos, they're called. Cannot wait to get started with my cat journal. Now, in the description, I did put my lovely happy mail from Jan. Yes, she sent me elephant poo. Yes, you're probably all sat there thinking, well, I've not seen any elephant poo yet. And Jan had said to me something in an email. She said that, well, I've got you some lovely things from Thailand, and there's something to do with poo. And I was like, okay, this is so hilarious. Look at this. This is poo-poo paper. Recycled and odourless paper products made from poo. Yes, she sent me elephant poo. But look at this recycled paper. And these are like big envelopes. I kind of don't want to open them yet. But look, in all different colours. Poo-poo paper. So if you've never heard of poo-poo paper, it really does exist. And it's lovely, actually. It's, and it doesn't smell of poo either. So there's these lovely big envelopes. Oh my gosh, these are going to be super in the journal. There's a lovely tuck spot pocket, and I have this lovely bookmark as well with a butterfly on it. Elephant poo-poo paper. Elephant poo-poo paper park. And it's got a lovely butterfly, and that's a lovely tag. Go nice in that, wouldn't it? And these lovely alphabets pieces there as well. And then she sent me some lovely paper so that I can make these paper packs, so I can make my own tags and snippets, and I can send people some Elephant Poo myself in the journals. And then we have some more lovely natural sort of coloured paper. Let's have a look at this, what this one is. Let's get this one open. It says here, Elephant Poo Poo Paper Park is an eco-friendly, naturally built outdoor museum park focused on introducing and explaining the unique steps involved in making our world-famous paper products. Oh, she must have gone to the museum to see how it was made. Paper products made from elephant poop fibres. Visitors learn about Chiang Mai's long and rich history of traditional paper making and handicraft production, and trace the history of paper from its invention in China almost 2,000 years ago and its evolution throughout Asia, Egypt, Europe and the Americas. Our products are a fantastic example of sustainability and responsible consumption. We take material in abundance, elephant poo, and make functional and completely useful paper products, all the while sparing lots of trees in the process. Here's the scoop. Elephants eat lots of grass every day, and they poop almost as much. Since their digestive systems don't really break down the grass all that well, their poo has plenty of fibre. Since grass is fibre and fibre is the base material used in making pulp for paper, well, we figured elephant poo would be a great alternative fibre source for making our paper products. Poo Poo Paper, how incredibly fun, memorable and sustainable. There you go, I've learned something new today. Oh, look at this, lovely. Oh, this is gorgeous. So this is kind of a thicker sort of paper, and this is lovely thin. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use these in my journals. These are lovely thinner. Oh, I love it. I love it. And how amazing. Look, it's lovely, lots of sheets, and there's a thicker bit at the back, so this is quite thick. This would be great for pages in my journals. So wonderful. And then she also sent me this lovely get it out and show you. Look at this, how cute is this? Oh my goodness me. Oh, I just love this. To be able to put my own scraps in. Oh, it's just gorgeous. It's really lovely, and I love eco paper, and I've not actually got around to making any yet because I just haven't, but this is what I would imagine that, you know, it is eco paper looks like. Oh, just lovely. Love it, love it, love it. So this is my happy mail. I cannot believe it. I am such a spoilt girl. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, Jan. I am going to have so much fun with all of these goodies. Oh my goodness me, I cannot wait. Do you know what? I have so many projects and I'm a bit behind with things because unfortunately I had a family member who's very ill, and I also had a very sad passing this week, which has been a real shock actually. So yes, this has been a real tonic and a pick-me-up to come home to. So thank you, Jan. I seem to get emotional every day at the moment on my videos, so I do apologise. It's just me, and, you know, I consider you my friends now. So thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, there are... you know, I do run a giveaway every week. Check out my videos because I have lots of goodies to give away as well. So thank you, Jan. I will be in touch very, very soon. And I'm just sending you loads and loads of love. All right, my lovelies, and love to you all. So take care for now. See you soon. Bye-bye.